Alright, the purpose of this video is to show how to access our web page and find different classes and access the skills assessments. So, first thing I'll do is go to nvcc.edu/workforce. Alright, from here I will click on Students. Then I'll scroll down. There are different ways to get to different classes, but I always go to Search for Classes and then All Classes. You do not have to be a student to do this, although if you have an account, it's a good idea to use it here or make one. Alright, so I'm going to go back up to where I was, go to All Classes, and this shows all of the Nova Workforce classes. Now, the big ones, healthcare and information technology, are up here. These all are eligible for fast forward funding. I'll click on information technology, and then I will go to show all. I always go to show all because, well, some of them might be hiding. And I'll now go to A+. It shows different classes. So now I find a class that I like, or even if I don't like the class, I'll click it anyways so I can take the test. The pre-test, the skills assessment, that is. Alright, and here it is, online skills assessment. So we ask that everybody do this before they sign up for the class, no matter the funding they use. They must pass the skills assessment. So here it is, asks for email address. I'll put it here. It asks for your name, last name, so Joe, so asks for phone number, the class. If you have a certification already, you select here, and then we will give you directions automatically in this site on how to show us the certification. This could possibly allow someone to take the class without doing the pre-test. Alright, you have to agree that you take it once per 1/3 of the year, so once January through April, once May through August, once September through December. And then this next one, pretty much you're agreeing that the passing score is here and that you are not cheating, and you agree. And then it goes on to the skills assessment here. That is how to do it.